What's happening? This is Domino here. All right, I would like to talk about what I saw the other day on Inside Edition and other news outlets and stuff like that. It's about a stupid teacher, a daycare worker, whatever the heck she is, scaring little kids with a screen mask. Just because there was allegedly whatever it is was cutting up and being bad. Talking about this child refused to do this or this child refused to do that. What the heck? What the hell? Are you stupid, woman? And now you're on TV talking about, oh, if I can take it back, I wish I could. I'm so sorry. I hope y'all can forgive me. Oh, go to hell. You hear me? Well, I'm sorry, but let me before I finish this what I'm about to say. If y'all don't like what I'm saying and y'all want to take the teacher side, don't watch this video. Use profanity in my comments. You're gonna be blocked. Okay? Thank you. All right. So, like I said, that is very unacceptable and no excuse for her actions. You know. Why would you? Why would she do something like that? If you watching this, why would you do something like that? You know, I don't have no children, but I have a niece. I got children. I'm not. I meant to say I got cousins that age. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I know y'all saw some of them in my episodes. Okay. But why in the hell would you do something like that? Oh, because they was being bad. They was doing this. They was doing that. Put the child in timeout then, damn it. Stupid. So I'm sorry for talking like that, but that really irks my nerves. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? I'm like, were you drunk or something? Were you smoking something? Or you on something? You know what? That's good for you that you got fired. That's very good for you. And I hope you don't teach children anymore. Okay, get a job at Popeyes or Pizza Hut or Burger King or Walmart or get a job at Winn-Dixie or Rouse's or something like that. Okay, or work at Wendy's or something. Okay, or whatever. Okay, you don't need to work with kids. You understand? Work with adults at Walmart or something or somewhere. Okay. I'm like, why would anybody like that would scare kids like that? Jesus Christ. They are children. They could be terrified about that for the rest of their lives. Not only that, they could go to sleep and have nightmares that probably wet the bed or something. Dang. How stupid is some people? Oh my God. I don't know. Well, I don't want to show that news clip on my channel though. Okay. All right. That's all I got to say. Oh no, I'm yawning. All right. So thank y'all for watching this. And if you got children that age, be careful, okay? Be careful where you bring these kids, because people these days are cruel in this world. You know what I'm saying? They are very cruel. You understand? Evil, conniving, despicable, cruel. You name it. You name it. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching so far. All right. So, you know what? One more thing I want to say before I cut this video off, before I stop this tape. You should be arrested for terrorizing kids. And you know what? One more thing. That should be illegal. That should really be illegal. Not only that's frightening kids, that's also harassment. You understand? That's also harassment. Okay, and stalking or whatever. That's what that is, though. Harassing children. I don't like that. One more time. If the child is being bad, put the child in the corner. If he moves or he or she moves, nothing you can do about it. Huh. All right. That's all I got to say. All right. Bye.